Hey everyone, what's going on? Greg here. Today I'm walking to a local bookstore and do a little research for a new website that I'm working on. So I figured I would share that day with you right now. Okay, so I just came out of the Northshire bookstore right here. I'm in downtown Saratoga. Got a book about houseplants, and this is gonna be really helpful because I want to learn more about it, and I'm gonna work with my writers, have another reference when I do the editing, everything like that. So let's head back and let's do some work. All right, so to recap, this is the book I bought, How to Houseplant. The reason why I got this book is that I hope it's gonna speed up my editing that I do. So for example, if you turn on a random page like this, you get the plant right here and you get the information, quick cheat sheet right there. Because I have 140 topics that I want to cover on my plant website right now. By no means is that the cap, it's just that I spend many hours just going through with my search analysis. So if you never watched my SEO workshop, you should, because I go over exactly how to do this process. So basically I found 140 and I said, all right, this is a good place to stop. Now I have a team of freelance content writers who are breaking up the content into different small sections that they're all taking. So we're just chiseling away at this 140 topic list. The process with this is that it takes them a few weeks. I get it, I edit it. It takes me a couple hours to go through like each one, like edit it and like make sure it's readable and grammatically checked, and then it's referenced properly and there's no plagiarism, and then I'm linking out to reputable third-party sites and the whole thing. The biggest thing I can say is this. Speed of production is so critical. I say this because when you have a brand new website, it's not gonna rank. And if you write like a couple posts, let's say you write like a 1 or 2 a month, and then after like month 3, you're like, you know what, this isn't working. That's why a lot of people quit, because it's like you've had this for too long and it's not doing anything, and you're like, okay, this was a waste of time. For me, on the other hand, I have a very clear goal, and my goal is let's get as much content out onto this site as fast as possible. Obviously, quality matters too, but that's why I'm using help. I'm having freelance content writers help me to get 140 posts out. My goal per month is to publish about 15 blog posts each month. I think I can ramp that up even more, but right now 15 is a pretty good number. So I share all this with you because I'm dedicating a lot of my time and focus on this plan website, along also with working on the stadium reviews as well. That's like the main thing that I'm doing. But this is like, in my opinion, 10 or 15% now of my focus is on a brand new project that is going to drive no traffic for at least 6 more months, and then maybe not even drive any real traffic, maybe closer to like a year later. So this is the early beginnings of a new website. I just launched in August, so I hope maybe a year from now, when you re-watch this video and then you watch maybe a future one, you're like, wow, this person like hit the numbers that they kind of said and they were in line. So I hope, who knows. But anyway, great book. I recommend it if you're into houseplants, and stay tuned for the next video.